Namaste, my name is Rui Zimmer, I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about 4 powerful ear acupressure moves for points, for instance, relaxation and tinnitus relief. So we make first the outer ear rub, best for deep relaxation, tinnitus reduction and so on. So it is quite simple. You fold your ear forward and press index and middle finger firmly against the back of your ear, pushing towards the ear canal. Move fingers up and down. Here's a rubbing noise. That's the magic. Okay, as you do it, so, okay. This will make to 1 or 2 minutes. And release and feel the wave of stillness. Why it works. Stimulates the vagus nerve, calms nervous system. It's all from the vagus nerve and it's very important. No? And now comes the next point, it's even more powerful, the hidden cave press. Best for stress relief, tinnitus, headaches and so on. It locates a tender expression to some widths behind your earlobes. As a Chinese healing system, we use cans, and 1 can is 1 thumb wide. Okay, smaller people have smaller. Okay, then everything is working quite easy. You make 2 thumb wides, and then there is a cave. Here you see it. 1, then comes the second, and here is a cave. Easy. Locate the tender depression 2 thumbs widths behind your earlobes. It's painful a little bit, and so you find it, no? And it's easy to find. Press both thumbs into these points, you will feel soreness. Massage in slow circle like untying a knot. Pair with deep breathing for 2 times the calm. So, then the ear shake, 20 seconds per section. Best for releasing jaw, neck tension, boosting energy. So we can shake our outer ear from the top, middle and the earlobes. So with the upper ear, pinch with 2 fingers gently and shake up and down. And then comes the middle ear. Again, pinch, rotate, clockwise, counterclockwise. You make it so, no? And then lobes, pinch, stretch gently in all directions. And see what happens. Science bit. Ear cartilage connects to every major organ via nerve ending. The full ear circuit, 1 minute total, for maximum benefits. Hidden cave press, outer ear rub, hidden cave press, ear shake. No? So you do this all together. And the bonus for insomnia, do this in bed while focusing on slow breath. So focus on your breath and you do all this together. So, thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.